Hi, hello mga sisas, mga team may maakla at kung naman tao ngayon dyan. This is Jean again, feeling vlogger, coffee lover, solo traveler, / Via in the house. Yo! For today's video, naisip ko lang, like, all of a sudden, bigla ko lang naisip, why not i-vlog ko yung house ko ngayon? Which is, pinapa-Airbnb ko din. So before I give you a tour sa house na to, I just want to give you like a little background on how I started this idea, this Airbnb idea. I'm supposed to start a business and live na sa Boracay. And pinaghandaan ko talaga siya kasi nag-training pa ako ng nails and eyelashes para meron akong certificate and, legit talaga ako makapag-start ng business sa Boracay. But unfortunately, my family needed me. There was an emergency that I needed to go back agad sa Cavite. So, here I am. This was originally planned by my father. Gusto niya na kumuha ako ng house na magkakasama kami ng mga kapatid ko na meron na rin sarili-sariling pamilya. So, gusto niya na may mga sariling rooms per magkakapatid, may room din sila. So, sa lahat ng mga napuntahan namin, ito yung talaga yung napili niya. Alam mo yung, parang yung business plan ko, parang biglang, kailangan kong mag-isip agad. Kailangan kong magplano agad-agad. Kasi, what happened was, gusto ng father ko na nandito kami lahat. Pero, the problem is, of course, my brothers, my siblings, they have their own family. And it's a decision ng pamilya na nila at hindi na decision nila papa. So, nung nakuha ko na tong place na to, only to find out, hindi rin pala sila mag-i-stay dito. So, okay. I have to think like really quickly kasi nga, kailangan ko somehow magkaroon ng ROI. And so, that's when I came up with the idea na mag-Airbnb. When I started the Airbnb, I really thought na it's like an easy money, I don't know. For some reason, naiisip ko na it was an easy money na parang, siguro pag nag-business ako, baka yayaman ako agad, ganon. So, not knowing na there were a lot of struggles, there are a lot of challenges, and hindi siya mura. Sobrang mahal. It's like it's never ending na gastos. So, yung ipapakita ko sa inyo na house, isipin nyo na ito ay bare. Bago ko to lipatan. It was completely bare, nothing in it. And, nilinis pa and everything, ganon. So, kung ano yung makikita nyo, it's all from zero to hero. Wow! So, but anyway, this Airbnb started August. Lumipat ako dito ng July. Kinuha ko to July. And August ko na-start na mag-publish sa Airbnb yung listing. And hanggang sa nag-evolve na lang siya as time goes by. So, let me show you. Let me give you a tour na. So, ito yung labas. Yan yung terrace. Di pa siya talaga polish na polish kasi I have to be very wise kung saan ko gagamitin yung pera ko because yung maliit na bagay, pag sinumatotal mo yan, talagang sobrang mahal. Tapos, yan. And then, there's a laundry area. Medyo medyo madumi pa siya kasi nga, kakatapos lang ng Christmas and dito kami nag-spend ng Christmas. Then, here's the kitchen. Diyan yung parang mini pantry. Yan naman yung ref. May story din yung freezer na yan. Kasi, initially, gusto ko talaga magbenta ng frozen products. But unfortunately, kinulang nga sa pera. Tapos ito na yung pinaka-living area. Which is, bare na bare ito nung una. As in, wala lahat yan. Just imagine. And every little piece na makikita mo dyan, akala mo lang, ay hindi, mura lang yan, mura lang yan. Pero kapag total mo lahat yan, oh my gosh. Like, I never expected nagagastos pa ako ng ganong kalaking pera. This one, hindi ko na ito i-open. This was my nail studio. Pero ginawa ko na kasi yung stock room. So, pag meron nagpapanail sa akin, is dito ko na siya ginagawa. As in, kailangan i-reserve siya ahead of time para makapag-set up ako, and then dito ko nilalagay yung eyelash bed. So, dito ko na siya ginagawa para yung mga, in case kasama nila, is dito mag-iintay. Pero yung pinipili ko ngayong clients for my nails and eyelashes is piling-pili na lang talaga. So, yan siya. Now, let's go upstairs. Yung details na yan, of course, nabili ko lang din yan, ano? All the way up. Alam mo, pag tinignan mo yan, sabihin mo, oh yeah, it's mura. Tinan mo, hanggang dyan lang yung nagawa ko because, again, I have to be wise pagdating sa kung saan ko siya gagamitin. So, ito may mirror dyan. Yeah, may light din, pero hindi ko nililit yan. Kaya tayo. So, it has 3 rooms and then 1 toilet and bath. So, here's the toilet. Teka, buksan natin yung ilaw. Right there. That's a toilet. So, sa Airbnb ko is may free na shampoo, conditioner, may pa-alcohol, may pa-wet wipes, and may tissue. Actually, may sabon din. And then, this is room A. Let me show you. So, mamaya may mag-check-in dito. So, parang nag-isip ko siguro din na video na rin. Yan siya. From the outside, it's like this. Yan. So, pag nag-check-in, may patawel, may soap, yun nga, may tissue, may wet wipes, may alcohol din. And then here, may alarm clock, may mga books din. And then the curtains. Alam mo, mas na-shock ako sa mga curtains kung gaano kamamahal ang mga curtains, te. And then may parang mini sofa here. Pwedeng maupo. Alam mo, hindi mo pwedeng higa-higa na lang all the time. So, kaya nilagyan ko siya ng sofa here. And then, meron silang cabinet na ganyan aside from this one. And then, lagayan ng damit na pinagubadaan. Kasi usually, meron nag-i-stay sa akin dito ng 7 days. And then, here's the mirror. So, dito naman tayo sa room B. Sa room B, dito kasi ako na-stay ngayon. Kasi nga, katapos lang namin mag-party yesterday. So, kaya, dito ako nag-i-stay ngayon sa room B. So, alam mo, sa dami lang ng kailangan na, what do you call that? Mga kortina, Diyos me. Magkano na yung gagastusin mo. Anyway, yan. At pag nag-Airbnb ka, kailangan mo talaga ng maraming bedsheet set. And, blanket. And then, may carpet din yan dyan. Ay, sorry naman, nakita yun. May carpet dyan. And then, meron din actually desk. Pero kasi, nandun nga ako. So, yan, yung mga laruan nandito. Naglaro kasi yung mga bata kahapon. And then, meron din niyang pa-cabinet and meron ding ganito, yung mga hangers. Kasi nga, usually nag-i-stay dito 7 days. Ganyan, the most. Ayan. So, lahat ng mga rooms, merong AC and meron ding fan, electric fan. May free wifi din. And then, sa baba, kung napansin nyo, merong pa-laptop. Yun ay free din nilang magamit ng mga guests. For Netflix and YouTube, ganyan. Wala kasi akong TV pa. And kung may TV man, ilalagay ko rin siya sa living space kasi it's a shared space. So, but anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. Pagdating ng araw, babalikan ko to. And let's see kung ipapanalo natin yung 2026. I really hope so. Let's win 2026, guys.